What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to reset iPhone, iPad, and how to factory reset iOS 26.2 and iOS 26.3 and above. Let's get dive to the process. First we plug the USB and hold the power button and the home button together. After we plug the USB to our PC, and we wait until the screen is off, and we release the power button and hold the home button. Now I think the device is in mode. In DFU mode we can flash the iPhone and iPad or reset the device. Now we will go to flashing or resetting process directly on the tool, and we can download the firmware or the flash file from here. After we download the file, we can simply click on the flash, and now the process have begin, and it will factory reset or reset the device, or if it have any issue stacking and boot looping and any error on the iOS, it will fix the device. Now we have to wait until the whole process is finished.